I took the first bus. You're running late, I texted no rush. You hit me back with LOL, what? And then I realized I missed the how about next week. At least half the time it's funny conversation about the breeze outside and people watching while we say that this is fine. And it might be a lie, but either way I don't really mind. Cause when I scream for ice cream, you scream cause you don't even like me or ice cream. We scream for pretty different things, but I think we could be a pretty different thing if you think. And it sounds like
Halo, sudah siap semua ya? Mau mana kita ini?
Mau ke Gunung Guntur.
Gunung Guntur, off-road ya? Ready? Oke.
Mana ya? Ada atapnya ya?
Enak banget makan es krim siang-siang. Mau kemana sih kita?
Kita ikutin aja ya, Mas.
Mau kemana kita?
Kemana ya?
Off-road ya? Yoi. Mau kemana kita, Pak? Mantap.